everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Baina and we are in my bedroom right now. A space that I love, but design-wise, we are not there yet. I am seriously annoyed by these lamps. I think I'm ready to move on from them. And as much as I love my headboard, I think I'm kind of ready to move on stylistically. My dream bedroom would be a lower bed, maybe some wall sconces, something really contemporary. I don't know. I'm only gonna know when I find it. One thing I do know is I do like the way that I have styled my bed. It's unmade right now because I'm going to be washing my bedding today. And I wanted to bring you along in that process so that you can see me kind of remake my bed, and then I can go through the different components that I think make a simple yet sophisticated and stylish bed. Second part of this that's slightly embarrassing is that I have been adjusting to the climate here in Texas. There's a lot of humidity in the air, which I'm not used to. And also the temperature fluctuates a lot during the day. So it might be cold in the morning and then really hot in the afternoon, but it just feels like that moisture is always in the air. And so embarrassingly enough, I have actually sweat the bed a number of times. I was actually alarmed thinking, am I going through menopause? Like, what is wrong with me? I'm not. I checked, thank God. So I looked into bamboo sheets, which I have never ever tried before. I've never even seen them before, shockingly. They're supposed to be really good about temperature regulating, moisture wicking, and just air circulation so that you're not sweating the bed. This bamboo bedding is from a company called Cozy Earth. This has been on Oprah's favorite things list for the past 3 years. So I thought that, let's see if that's true. I've been sleeping on this bedding for the past 2 weeks because I did not want to recommend anything unless it actually worked. Good morning. Okay, so I had my first night sleeping on the Cozy Earth bedding. I really love it. Like, honestly, like, I slept so well. I did not wake up in a cold sweat. It was really, really comfortable. It's silky smooth. I feel warm right now in a good way, but also cooling. It's like the perfect temperature and feeling right now. When I thought of bamboo bedding, I thought, okay, it's going to be like kind of linen-y. And when I opened the box, I was actually really surprised because it actually had kind of a shiny finish, like a sateen. And then after that, I thought, oh yeah, no wonder, because when I worked for the Art Deco company, I used to help them design rugs, and we would always do them either in a viscose or a bamboo silk. So bamboo actually has a silky sheen to it. They're organic. They have no dyes. They have no they're chemical free. The bed is the most important thing. You know what I mean? Like, before you do anything in your bedroom, you need to make sure that the bed is the bed that you want and the bedding that you want. So let's start breaking down this bed. I'm gonna wash the bedding and then we'll style it, put it back together. So for the purpose of today's video, I'm not gonna actually wash the mattress pad. One thing that I always add is a mattress encasement. Okay, so this is like a zippered cover that you put your mattress in that will prevent against dust mites and bed bugs, which sounds absolutely disgusting, but trust me, you don't want that in your life. So I always cover the mattress and the box spring in a mattress encasement. You can get these at like Bed Bath & Beyond or on Amazon or whatever. And just in case you're curious, this panel right here is something that my mom gave me. It's really cool. It's a vintage upholstered 3-paneled screen room divider kind of thing. And I've actually just been using it right here in front of my windows when I sleep because none of my drapery is blackout. And I kind of just actually like it there. When she gave it to me, I was thinking that I would reupholster it in something like really high contrast and maybe do nail heads instead of the ribbon. But I actually kind of oddly think it goes with my space. And the style of this is very like Swedish farmhouse, the print on the fabric. It has a print on the front and then a stripe on the back. Very uncharacteristic of anything that I would do, but I just like it in my bedroom, and it might be a project that I will do, you know, at some later point, but for now I actually like it. Pillowcase that matches the duvet cover on one of the set of pillows. On the other set of pillows, I do something different to bring another color into it. Just like you encase the mattress in a protective cover, I typically encase my pillows in a zippered bed bug resistant encasement as well. But if you don't protect them over time, they will get yellow. And I like a very light, fluffy pillow. Everybody has their own preferences. I don't like those memory foam pillows because I just feel like they don't look very good on a bed, and I actually don't find them very comfortable. So whatever, style you feel the most comfortable sleeping in is totally your call. And then I just washed my silk pillowcases. They're like a light pink color. I like to sleep on these because it protects your hair so that your hair won't kind of break. I ordered a bra from this company, Cup, and their bras come in this mesh washable bag. So I just put each pillowcase in one of these and wash them, and that just helps with the longevity of life of silk when you're washing it. After I lay down the flat sheet, what I typically do is use what's called a bed blanket. It goes on top of the flat sheet. Might not need that for summertime, but I just like that extra layer. What I usually do is I'll pull back this flat sheet. It's not done perfectly. I'll pull it back like this. Okay, so it's folded over so you can easily get into bed. And it's so luxurious to sleep with amazingly clean, beautiful sheets. Look how nice that bamboo looks though. It's like really soft, and it washes well. This is the second washing, and just look at that nice difference between the sheeting and then this nice textured blanket. And then what I'm gonna do is just tuck in these sides here. Just a little folded tuck in there. That's where when Milo was a puppy, he ate the corner of the bed. He wrecked it. So I actually like my beds pretty simple, and I like white bedding. I just feel like it's clean. It's not for everybody. I feel like it's classic and you cannot go wrong. Sometimes I don't like a gazillion amount of pillows. Would be to just take your 4 sleeping pillows with 2 different coordinating colors. I have the white to match everything. And then I could put the pink on top like that. Just no Euro pillows. If I had like a shorter headboard, I kind of like this feeling. So this could be a very, very minimalist way to do your bed that I actually think looks, I like this sparse look. And I kind of like it when there's a little bit of space. And then all you have to do is put in the duvet cover at the end. The reason I recommend having a separate comforter that goes into a duvet cover is that you can wash your bedding much easier every week, just by washing the duvet cover. This is my comforter insert. It's huge. And when you order bedding from rich companies or companies that are not like cheap, they always make their duvet covers kind of large. This is a queen size duvet cover. I use a large comforter insert with this because it fits it perfectly. It actually gives me the right amount of fluff. I don't use if I use the queen comforter insert, it's always just a little bit too much space. First of all, it's extremely soft and it really has helped me not sweat anymore. It has a flange, which is basically means a 2-inch border of material with stitching here all around the sides and the bottom. Okay, this is just a little decorative detail and it's nice. It doesn't have the flange at the top of the duvet cover because that's where you would put your face, so you don't want an extra flap there. On the inside, a bunch of snaps so that you can snap your comforter, which will come with these little things right here. You can snap it inside the duvet so that it will stay in the corners, okay? Once you stuff your whole comforter inside the duvet cover, the closure is actually strings that you just tie with a little bow, which is okay. I actually prefer when it has a zipper. That's like the easiest one. They usually come with either buttons or ties or sometimes a zipper. These are the snaps. And you just kind of put them through the little comforter like so. So it connects them both together. Okay. Then you just flip the whole thing inside out. So here's a look at my method. I just kind of fold the duvet cover in thirds at the bottom. And then, you know, when you're ready to go to sleep, you just take this and you pull it towards you and you'll cover yourself. And I like this just because it keeps it, I don't know, the bed looking tailored to have it kind of here at the foot of the bed. It feels like it's, you know, kind of styled, a little effort went into it, but it still feels relaxed. So what I like to add are these Euro pillows that I actually had made. Selected this mohair material, which is one of my favorite materials. And this is one of my absolute favorite colors. And mohair is expensive, so to do it on a pillow is a really cost-effective way to get that look into your home. And I think I went with a 22-inch pillow, and then I just bought a 24-inch Euro insert at Home Goods for literally like $20. You can always find those, $24.99. And so that's the look I like in this bedroom because the headboard is pretty tall, and I also like to sit in bed and, you know, just be on my phone. I was gonna say read a book. I haven't read a book in a long time. Like that. I don't like a gazillion pillows on your bed. I don't like it to look too like fussy, and I think that's why I kind of want to like make this a little bit more modern. But I do like having all these pillows, which I actually use. So you could stack them and just put the Euros behind it. I never actually style it like this. The last piece that I put on my bed is this custom bolster that I had made. I picked out the fabric and I actually had the bolster insert. That's probably the most expensive thing to find this size, which you can online. They do sell them. And this is the perfect dimension for a queen size bed. So I will put that dimension on the screen. You can see it fills it up nicely proportionally. And I believe West Elm is now selling an extra long lumbar pillow like this. They copied my idea. And I just love the contrast of the white with the amber and the pink. That's like really my thing. In terms of the bamboo bedding and my happiness with these sheets, I have not sweat profusely aggressively since I started sleeping in them 2 weeks ago. And even right now, as I'm sitting in my room, I can feel the mugginess. There's like a wetness. So I personally think they work. And I feel like they do wash well. The shine that was there originally when I pulled them out is not as prominent, and that's okay because I don't really want like shiny bedding. But I love it. So they're gonna offer 30% off for you guys if you're interested in purchasing them. You just have to use my link, and that promo code will be in the description box below. That's pretty significant savings. And like I said, I literally tested these out for 2 weeks to make sure that it's something that I would recommend and take that very seriously. But they did give me the duvet and the sheets to try, which they should, because it's a lot of work to do this damn video. So I hope that it was actually helpful. You learned a few things, especially when it comes to styling. Let me know any comments below, and I will talk to you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.